Here's what you need to make these cute pom-pom gnomes: yarn, an empty paper towel roll, scissors, cotton balls, a pom-pom maker, your glue gun, and wooden beads. Trim the paper towel roll to 1/2 inch in height. Cut pieces of yarn about 10 inches for the hat. I ended up using 23. Tie a lark's head knot onto the paper towel roll and fill until completely covered. You can do this by folding the strand in half and looping the ends into the loop. Push all the strands inward through the paper towel roll hole. Fill with one cotton ball. Tie the strands tightly with a strand of yarn and trim the top of the hat and fluff. I use my pom-pom maker to create the body. Glue the pom-pom onto the body. Glue a wooden bead to act as a nose in between where the hat and the pom-pom meet. Tie a piece of yarn onto the back of the hat to act as a hook. Decorate your tree and this craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.